Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to customize a Prestashop theme to make your online store look professional and unique. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced seller, this guide will walk you through everything from basic tweaks. So here guys, the first thing you need to do here is to log into your Prestashop admin panel. So this is by entering your credentials. So to access the theme settings guys, you need to go to your design and then the theme and logo. So as you can see here guys, they are their plan here. So depending on you, what plan you want to avail here. So they also have their different features. You can compare it. So here you can download this one for free. So once you're on your dashboard guys, to access the theme settings, you need to go to the design and then look for the theme and the logo. Here guys, you can see your current theme and then you can upload a new one and make basic customization. So here I'm just gonna download this one. So here guys, you can start with the basics. So under your theme and logo section, you will find options to upload your store's logo, email logo, and then the invoice logo. So you can click add file, choose your logo, and then save changes. So to change the favicon guys, you can scroll down to the favicon section and then upload your new favicon file and then hit save. So if you want to change your store's look, you can head to the design and then the theme logo. Then of course, you can customize the theme. So on this part guys, you can modify the header, the footer, the buttons, and then the background colors to match your brand, and then simply click on the color picker. You can choose your desired shade and save changes. And of course, to update your store's font, you can go to the modules and then you'll be able to see there the module manager and then head over to the theme customization module. Here, you can select Google fonts or upload a custom font guys. So if you're done guys, you can edit the home page. What you need to do here is you just need to go to the design and the page and then select the home page. So click edit with the page builder. You can add new sections like the banners, product carousels, and the featured products by dragging and dropping elements. So if you need to change the layout, you can adjust columns, widths, and spacing to improve the design. And then click on text, blocks, and images to update content and make your homepage stand out. So to customize the product pages, we need to go to the design and then pages and then select the product page guys. Here you can add customer reviews, additional images, and a size guide to enhance user experience. So here, if you want to customize the add to cart button guys, you can modify it using CSS in the advanced customization section. So you can also install and customize a new theme here. So what you need to do here is you need to click upload the theme. So this is a zip file. Select your file and then install it. Then once installed, you can click use this theme to apply it to your store. So some may require module adjustment guys, so your modules and services section to ensure everything works smoothly. And that's it guys. Now you know how to customize a Prestashop theme to make your store stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips.